Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment and share. In this
I'm going to solve one example, that is dy by dx equal to 1 plus y by x, and condition y equal to 2 at x equal to 1 is given. Find the approximate value of x equal y at x equal to 1.4 by taking the step size, important step size h equal to 0.2, applying modified Euler's method, and carry out 3 modifications in each step. Here, what are the things given? First of all, let me give the formula for modified Euler's formula. First, before applying modified Euler's formula, I have to apply Euler's formula first. My Euler's formula is y1 of zeroth approximation is equal to y0 plus h into f of x0 y0. This is a Euler's formula. Then modified Euler's formula is y1 rth approximation is equal to y0 plus h by 2 into bracket f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 r minus 1th approximation I have to take. Okay, using this formula I have to evaluate. Then what are the given things and how many stages we have to do, we'll discuss one by one here. Given dy by dx is equal to f of xy, the function f of xy equal to 1 plus y divided by x, they are given, and x0 is equal to 1, condition x0 equal to 1, corresponding y0, that is y value at x0, y value at 1, x0 value is 1, therefore y0, y1 equal to y of 1 equal to, they are given it as a 2. Okay, using this, what I have to calculate? Y value at x equal to 1.4. Directly I cannot calculate, but step length h also they are given. H is equal to 0.2. If you increase a step by h in x0, it will become x1. My x1 will become x0 plus h, that is 1 plus 0.2, which is nothing but 1.2. Therefore, corresponding value y will become y1, that is y of x1, y of 1.2. We don't know, that I have to calculate. Okay, this one I will calculate in stage 1. In stage 1 I will calculate this one, and second one, that is x2 will become, second stage, x2 will become x1 plus h. My x1 is 1.2 plus h will become 0.2, that is 1.4. Therefore, corresponding y value will become y2. That y2 is nothing but y of x2, y of 1.4. To calculate this, 2 stages I have to do. Okay, that is let me call it as stage 2. Okay, in stage 2 I will calculate y of 1.4. Okay, one by one stage I will tell. First, stage 1 now. Stage 1. Okay, to find, I will write heading, to find y1, that is y of x1, that is y of 1.2 I have to calculate in this stage. To do that, by Euler's formula first. By Euler's formula, y1 zeroth approximation is given by y0 plus h into f of x0 y0, just now given. Okay, y0 value is, in the problem they have given y0 value as 2, x0 value is 1. Therefore, y0 value is 2 plus h value is 0.2 and f of x0 y0, x0 value is 1, y0 value is 2. That is 2 plus 0.2 into bracket f of x comma y. What is my f of xy? Function f of xy is nothing but 1 plus y by x. That I will use here. That is 1 plus y. Y is 2 divided by 1. Okay. And its value comes out to be, use a calculator, and it comes out to be 2.6. 2 and this is 3, 2.26. Okay. This is my first approximation, predicted value of y. Using this, by using modified Euler's formula, that is y1 first approximation is given by y0 plus h by 2 into bracket f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1. Okay, substitute the values here. Y0 value is 2 plus h value is 0.2 divided by 2 into f of x0 is 1, y0 is 2 plus f of y1 zeroth approximation here, x1 value is my 1.2, f of 1.2 comma y1 zeroth approximation, that is 2.6 just now calculated. Then use the function. That function is nothing but 2 plus 0.1 into f of xy, 1 plus 2 divided by 1. This is first function. F of xy again 1 plus 2.6, that is y divided by x. Y is 2.6 divided by 1.2. Use the calculator, operate everything in a calculator and find its value. It comes out to be, let me show this one. Okay, everything is operated in your calculator as 1 and all those things. 2.6 divided by 1 as it is from the whatever written, then its answer comes out to be 157 by 2.6. In decimals it is 2.61666. It continues. Therefore, approximately what I can write, 2.6167 I will write. This is my y1 first approximation. And in the problem they have mentioned, in each stage carry out 3 modifications. This is one modification. Second modification is y1 second approximation is given by y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0 y0 same plus f of x1 y1 first approximation I will use. Only this is a change. Therefore, directly I can write this step directly now. That is 2 plus 0.1 into 1 plus 2 divided by 1 plus 1 plus this 2.6. That is a y1 first approximation. That is 2.6167 divided by 1.2. Everything will remain the same. This is my second modification. Okay. And in calculator also already operated one is there. In that you can change the your 2.6167 you can make only this correction and you can save your time, and equal to, directly it comes out to be 2.61805 is there, 805 up to 4 decimal places it becomes 2.6181 I will take. Okay, this is my y1 second approximation. 2 approximations I have done. Like this, one more third approximation, 3 stages I have to carry out. Therefore, y1 third approximation is given by y0 plus h by 2 into same formula, only this correction I have to take. That is f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 second approximation I have to use. Rest all will remain the same. In the same formula again, only this value I have to change. That is 2 plus 0.1 into bracket 1 plus 2 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 2.6181 I have to change, divided by 1.2. In the calculator also don't operate everything. Already operated one is there. In that you go on making the correction. That is delete this one, 2.6181 I have to make. Rest all the calculation work will remain the same. Equal to, that is 2.618 2.17 is there. Approximately I can write it as a 2.6182 up to 4 decimal places, because more than 5 is there, 2 equal to y1 third approximation. Okay, this is my y1 now. Okay, therefore I can write here, therefore my y1 equal to y of x1 equal to y of 1.2 is equal to 2.6182. But my intention is to find out y of 1.4, not 1.2. In the problem they have given it as a y of 1.4 I have to calculate. That's why according to this one, second stage I am going to do here. Using these two will become your initial values now. X0, Y0, this will become initial values. And for the next second stage, to find in the second stage, to find y2, that is y of x2, y of 1.4 I have to calculate. To do this one, my initial values will become, initial values x1 is nothing but 1.2 and corresponding y1 will become 2.6182. Just now previous stage I have calculated. These will become my initial values. Okay, now again same procedure you have to follow. That is first by Euler's formula. Euler's formula, predictor value, that is y1 zeroth approximation. Sorry, not y1 now. y2 zeroth approximation equal to y1 plus h into f of x1 y1 it will become. Okay, just observe here. Okay, previous one was y1 zeroth approximation equal to y0 plus h into f of x0 y0 was there. Now x1 y1 will become your initial values. Substitute in this. That is y1 value is 2.6182 plus h value is the same 0.2. f of x1 is 1.2 and y1 is 2.6182 and 2.6182 plus 0.2. My f of xy value function, my f of xy function is 1 plus y divided by 2. Sorry, y by x is my function. Therefore this is x, this is y. That implies 1 plus y, 2.6182 divided by 1.2. Operate this one, everything in the calculator and simplify. I am going to get the answer as a, okay, this same thing is operated in the calculator. Just you can see 2.1682 plus 0.2 into bracket 1 plus this one divided by, okay, therefore answer you are going to get it as 3.254566 is continuous. Approximately I can write it as 3.2546 is my y1 zeroth approximation, sorry, y2 zeroth approximation. Okay, like this, using modified Euler's formula, I have to make the correction in this value. Therefore, by modified Euler formula, okay, therefore y2 first approximation will become y1 plus h by 2 into f of x1 y1 will remain the same plus f of x2 comma y2 zeroth approximation, just now calculated value. Substitute the values here and calculate. Y1 value is 2.6182 plus h is 0.2 divided by 2 into f of x1 y1. x1 value is 1.2, y1 value is 2.6182. This is f of xy plus f of x2. x2 value is 1.4, y2 zeroth approximation, that is 3.2564. And use the function f of xy. What is my f of xy function? 1 plus y divided by x. Use that function here. That will get you 2.6182 plus this I can write it as 0.1 into 1 plus y divided by x. Y is 2.6182 divided by 1.2 plus for this one also function x and y, 1 plus 3.2564 divided by 1.4, y comma y divided by x. Use operate calculate in calculator so that you will get the required answer. That is, similarly operate everything in the calculator as it is, then equal to, I'm going to get the answer as my y1. Okay, this is 2.26898 approximately. What I can write, 2.2690 I can write. Okay, this is my y2 first approximation. Like this modified formula I have to repeat up to 3 times. Okay, my next value will become y2 second approximation will become same formula, y1 plus h by 2 into, okay, same formula, that is f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 y2 first approximation. Rest all will remain the same, only this value is replaced by this one. Okay, just let me check here what I am getting. Okay, that is 3 point is there, I have written for a 3.2690. okay, let me substitute in this. Directly I will write here as 2.6182 plus 0.1 into 1 plus 2.6182 divided by 1.2 plus 1 plus 3.2564 divided by, sorry, this value I have to replace, that is a 26. I will change this, that is 3.2690 divided by 1.4. okay, in calculator also everything operated formula is there with you. Okay, only this value I have to change. Okay, that is 3.26 I have to make 2690. okay, last value only I have to change, and its answer comes out to be 3.y2 second approximation 3.2698. okay, 8 is there, therefore approximately I can write it as a 3.2699 I can write. This is the second approximation, but they have mentioned up to 3 modifications I have to carry out. Therefore y2 third approximation equal to y1 plus h by 2 into bracket f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 y2 second approximation I have to use. okay, in the same formula only that value have to change, that is 2.6182 plus 0.1 into bracket 1 plus 2.6182 divided by 1.2 plus 1 plus this value is replaced by this one, that is a 3.2699 divided by 1.4, and use calculator to evaluate this one. Only the change here, what you have to do here, 2.699 I have to make. okay, this only correction 9. My answer comes out to be 3.2699 I am going to get. This is y2 third approximation. okay, I can stop here. Therefore my y2 equal to y of x2 equal to y of 1.4 value is 3.2699. this is the required answer for the corresponding. okay, 2 stages we are doing here. okay, like this some more examples I'm going to do in my next videos. Please subscribe my channel, don't forget to hit the bell icon, and also share the video. okay, thank you friends.